Thank you for stopping by. Happy 2021. Today, what are we opening? This is the January Boxycharm box. So this comes once a month, and it is, how much is it? It is $25 a month US. So I think right now that's like 30 something Canadian. But it's supposed to have over $100 worth of products inside. So usually you get your money's worth. And this is my very favorite box that I get, so I'm rarely disappointed by it. So let's see what we have inside. So this will have usually between 5 and 7 full-size beauty items. And so this is what it looks like. And this month's theme is Fresh Start. Perfect, very apt. And then on the back we'll have all of the products and how much they cost. So without further ado, let's get into it with this big giant honkin' box I can feel. So this is from the brand Pharmacy. A deep sweep 2% BHA pore cleaning toner with moringa and papaya. It's alcohol free, which is nice, so it doesn't dry out your skin. It gently exfoliates, cleans pores, and controls oil without overstripping skin. This refreshing daily toner. I'm getting tired. Contains a blend of salicylic acid, moringa water, and papaya enzyme to help reduce shine and minimize the look of pores. Ideal for combination and oily skin. Good combination skin. Oh, another glass bottle. That's fancy. So it's a nice size. How many mils is that? 120 mils or 4 fluid ounces. Very nice. What does that smell like? Smell. I'm really tired today. It's got like a tea tree kind of smell. Yeah. It's a toner. So yeah, you just dispense it onto your cotton pad and apply. So that is nice. Not terribly exciting, but still nice to have around. Okay, next up, what is this? It's very light. This is a Bali Balm, sweet orange and coconut lip balm. Oh, nice. In cold weather, massage the tube between your fingers to soften the balm. This will make it easier to flow from the nozzle. So that is what the packaging looks like. I bet it smells really good. Oh, it does smell really good. So that is what the product looks like, and we'll just try it on. Alright, gosh. Oh, it tastes good too. You know what? That's very tropical smelling. So it kind of reminds you of summer, which is nice. Feels really good on the skin. Love a good balm, especially in the winter time. And then what do we have? Another squeezy tube. So this is from Pure. It's 4-in-1 tinted moisturizer with a broad spectrum SPF 20, which is nice. I love a good SPF every day. What shade is this? Is there a shade? Shade name? Anybody know? No? So when you sign up for Boxycharm, you do fill out a profile so they know what my skin tone is. So that is the color that they have chosen for me. Doesn't really have a scent to it. Works itself nicely into the skin though. I love a good tinted moisturizer because I don't like to wear a lot of foundation because then it sinks into my pores and then, you know, I don't like the way I look that day. So, exciting to have that. Okay, next up, we have got from Apple and Balm a glow lip mask. What's a lip mask? Oh, this is from Seraphine Cosmetics. What does it do? What does it do? It boosts hydration and glow with protective lip mask formulated with apricot, jojoba, and rosehip oils that keep synergistically. That works in it. Oh my gosh. Again, don't read small print without my glasses on. But also learn how to read. It works synergistically to keep lips chapped-free, soothed, and plumped at the same time. Made with green apple and pineapple extracts. So 2 lip products I think might be overkill for this box. I don't know. How do I feel? I don't love that we got 2 similar items. That's okay. I'll get over it someday. Come on, January. You're not very wowing. You're not really wow. Ooh, it's very liquidy. It smells really good. So it feels like an oil. So that will feel probably really hydrating on lips. I just put on that lip balm, so I'm not gonna put this on. Yeah. It's okay. It smells really good. But it's just me, you know. Again, not the most exciting box so far, but we have one little bubble wrapped item left. And what is it? It's from Ciate London. It is the Velvet Palette. So, you know I love a good eyeshadow palette, so that's good. This is a 12 pan palette. Probably got some nice pinks, which I am wearing today from my, what am I wearing? Natasha Denona Love palette. Oh, that's very pretty. It's like got this matte pink, and then on the other side, it's like a rose gold. Oh my. That's some intensely pigmented colors there. Like, wow. Look at that gold. It's a cool ripple effect on the eyeshadows though. So what do we have? We have 1, 2, 3 mattes. And the rest shimmers. That's really cool the way they've rippled that like that. Let's watch it, shall we? Let's try this gold. This pink shimmer, this color here, and how about this one? And why not this one too? Oh goodness. So the shimmers are gorgeous. Mattes are nicely pigmented too. They're a little patchy, but again, these are meant to go on your eyes, not on your hand. Yeah. It could, I love eyeshadow palettes, but this one doesn't wow me. And it's pretty, but it doesn't wow me. I might have to give that one away. Who knew I'd ever say that? All right, so this was a so-so box. If it hadn't been for this, I probably wouldn't have liked it as much. And even this is just, it's okay. I do like Ciate London's formula. This is the 3rd eyeshadow palette I have from them, I believe. So let's pick our favorites based on what we got. So I guess it's gonna be eyeshadow palette first, and then the Pure Tinted Moisturizer. Then what else did we get? I think then the lip balm, then the pore cleansing toner, and then the glow lip mask. And let's get some prices, shall we? So here's our little thing right here. So the eyeshadow palette from Ciate London is $30. Seems a bit high to me. The Pharmacy pore cleansing toner is $28. The Pure 4-in-1 tinted moisturizer is $35. Wow. The Seraphine Botanicals Apple and Balm Glow Lip Mask, $25. Holy. And the Bali Lip Balm, $33 for that little thing of lip balm. Holy. That seems like a lot. Let's see what our total value is. Okay, so according to the Google, our value is $151. I did get my value in, like if I just like this tinted moisturizer, I would have got my value because this is $35 and my box is $25. Yeah, it was an okay box. It was okay. It was okay. It wasn't the best. Especially when you come off of, so every 3 months you can choose to upgrade to Boxy Luxe, which is another $24.99, and it's supposed to have, I think, $300 worth of value. So that's what I got in December. So the month after that is always a little like, oh, it falls a little flat. But that's not because of them. I guess it's because of me and my fact that I'm very picky. But yeah, it was a so-so box. Yeah, that's all I have to say about that. So I want to thank you all for watching. Again, as always, I really appreciate it. If you wouldn't mind liking this video, you can click like down here. You can click here to subscribe, and there's more videos here and here for your viewing pleasure. And yeah, thank you for stopping by, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.